What's up guys, it's Michael here with another Photoshop tutorial. So today I'll be showing you how to turn your photo into a pencil drawing like this. So we'll be taking this photo and turning it into a photo that looks like this. So let's go. Alright, so here we have our photo. So let me just get rid of the already done one. So this tutorial is a very easy one. So we'll grab our image. What we're going to do, we're going to duplicate it. So that's right click and duplicate. And of course you can use Command or Control J to do the same. So with the duplicated layer, this is what we're going to do. We're going to add a hue and saturation adjustment layer right above it, and then bring the saturation down all the way to -100. Okay, now we're going to go back to the duplicated layer, and then we're going to press Command I or Control I to invert the layer. So your image should now look like this. And then we're going to change the blend mode from normal. So by default, your blend mode should be a normal. So we're going to change it from normal to color dodge. And now we should get something that looks like this. And then we're now going to go up to filter, down to blur, and Gaussian blur. So this is where you're going to play with the settings until it looks the way that you want. So this, I'm going to bring mine up to 170 thereabout. I like how this looks. Then hit OK. So the last thing we're going to do now is to use levels to actually bring up the color of, well, not the color, but the intensity of the blacks in the image, so that it looks like a pencil, a dark pencil drew it. So we're going to go down to our adjustment layers and choose levels. And now we're going to bring the blacks inward so that it intensifies the dark areas. We also can move around the mid-tones. And there we have it. So we move from let me just duplicate this there, Control J, bring this above it. So we move from this to this with just a few clicks. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like, feel free to comment, and if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe. On this channel we share everything about graphic design, marketing, social media advertising, you name it. So if you're a creative professional or entrepreneur, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever new content is actually uploaded. Thank you for watching and peace out. Take care.